East African countries may have to pay penalties to the American government for stopping imports of second-hand clothes. The U.S. has termed the EAC's resolve to ban the imports as a blockage of free trade, saying that Rwanda, Tanzania and Uganda have until next week to reverse their decision, or else the U.S. government will have no choice but to impose penalties. The three countries will be meeting next week to discuss whether they will proceed with the ban or not. 2 years ago, the EAC agreed to impose the ban by 2019, but Kenya has since pulled out of the agreement following U.S. threats that it will end Kenya's eligibility for duty-free clothing exports to the U.S. and AGOA.